So serious.
Holy shit!
Why do you always record me doing? Can you please put the music back on? I'm always doing something really stupid.
So we are making peach mojitos, and it's like 1 in the afternoon. Yes. Here's our peaches. That looks really gross on camera.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd my mint leaves go? Smell it. It's a whole bunch at once.
Oh my god.
Wow, okay.
It's very minty.
Oh yeah. And mine. Whoops. What was it, 2 cups? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's so much. Mom, you should be happy because we use up your alcohol for you. Yeah, really. The stuff that nobody drinks in this house except for us. When we're making some crazy recipe. Perfect. Wow, well, we should have taken it
Basically
before.
took a minute to pour.
It's like the vodka when it started at here and then went down like.
Yeah.
Whoops. Okay, wait, it's not done yet though. You'll see.
Right.
I think we're supposed to have the mint sprigs go in with it, but
Oh yeah, for garnish.
we'll put some on top. Oh, never mind, this person got one. Okay, ready? Here comes the magic. Oh,
You
this one-
should be a bartender. It's your calling.
It is. I don't know if you're supposed to put them in the drink, but you know what? That person gets an ugly one. I kind of ruined these because, like this one. I'll take this one. That one's ugly. Here you go, Mom. Thank you. Here you go, Taylor. Ready? Oh, Mickey, it's so cute.
Pretty doggone good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Taste it. I'm videoing.
We haven't failed it. I mean, the Jello
Making
shots,
liquor drinks.
I like Jello shots weren't that bad,
This is good.
Good.
but they were a little strong. So I think this one's good.
Did you like it?
Yes, I do. It's very good. Thank you.
I love fruit drinks. I like it.
What I like the most is how it's fresh.
she's gonna